Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is about wax begonia, or sometimes it is called cocktail whiskey begonia. So it has very beautiful white flowers, and its leaves also you can see are very beautiful, some brown and green mixed color. Sometimes they come in red color flowers and dark maroon color leaves, but I have this one. It has a white flower, and I bought it in the month of May. So today I am going to uh, plant it in a bigger pot so that it can grow bigger and give me flowers till October before the frost. So I have like 5 to 6 months and it will give me flowers. And this plant is very low maintenance. You just only give the water regularly, and sometimes you can give the liquid fertilizer or granule fertilizer. You can see the flowers are really very beautiful white color, and the leaves are also very beautiful. So I'm going to transplant it to a bigger pot so that it can grow more and more during this growing season. And then I will take some of its cutting once it will grow more, and I will try to propagate it from the cutting. It is very easy to propagate it. Just take some cuttings and put them in a glass of water. Once you see the roots are developing, then you can transplant them in small pots. So in this way you can make more and more plants. So I have filled out all the surroundings of this big pot, and now I am going to set the soil. And after setting the soil, you need to press the soil gently so that no air pockets are there. It is very important, otherwise the roots may start burning and they will eventually die. So I have completed the planting of this plant. Now give first time water thoroughly, and then you can use your regular watering schedule. Don't overwater them, because overwater will kill their roots and they will not grow well and they will eventually die. So you can water like uh, alternate days, not daily. Alternate days are good. So guys, I hope you like this plant and you will also grow this. This is very beautiful. It comes in red color also, red and pink color. So now you can see this is the final position of this plant. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this and you will also grow. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.